Fleming family, actually.
Well, it's for Declan, I think.
We're about to find out, aren't we?
It's only for me.
You sure about that?
Oh, maybe.
Right over here. Come on, fella. You can do it. Come on. Talk to Daddy. Okay. Oh, look.
Oh, paper.
Shredded paper. Awesome. Shredded legal documents.
Check and see what's in there.
How exciting.
What is that? Let's see, does that say...
Oh! It's the one I wanted!
No!
It's not for the whole family, it's just for me!
It's Screecher.
Squeecher!
Oh!
Connect his body?
Wait,
It says connect his body!
Touch him, show Bucky how he works.
There's more stuff in here I'm pulling out, too.
Let me see. Let me see,
Turn
Declan.
it towards Bucky so he can see.
Yeah, let me see. Wow. What does it do? To talk or?
Oh yeah, and he spits water.
Wow.
Mommy, can you put water
Here.
in him?
Well, grab him.
Let me grab a bunch of this stuff here.
Let's see.
Put some water in him.
No, come over here, Declan. Come over here. Because this is one you wanted forever.
I saw that one at the store. Screecher.
You are going to have to call.
Here, stop.
You're going to have to call them and tell them thank you.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
What is this one?
Declan, come over